Your advice, we're here to have hash browns. But I don't have hash browns without coffee. This is why we came. I will say offhand, they already look...
They look awesome.
Delicious. Oh, no. Here, trade you. That one's my style.
How you're just touching all the hash browns.
This one is softer though.
Oh, maybe I'd like that more.
Yeah, here, take this one.
I
don't care.
That was a damn good hash brown.
I can't believe we got duped into Tim Hortons hash browns. Nonsense. Thumbs up.
A&W? A plus.
A? The Canadian experience continues. Hey yo, call me on the pizza hotline.
222-2222.
That's their real phone number.
Call me on the hotline.
Pizza hotline bling.
Wait, move over, Canada. The boat lives here. Today we're in Saint Boniface, the French quarters of Winnipeg.
Canada.
Yeah, Manitoba, Canada.
Just for everybody that's not following along, get on board, people.
Oh, yeah.
There's a subscribe button. You wouldn't be so far behind.
Yeah.
We're going to explore. There's some things that we were told about. So I don't understand what burned down.
That thing.
This cathedral has burned down 3 times. 3 times.
3 times they stopped rebuilding it. Although there's a sign for renovation project, so we'll have to look into it.
So maybe it can burn down a 4th time. Wow. But I'm just saying, it seems doomed. But the other day we were sitting by the river.
The Red River.
The Red River. And then we struck up a conversation with Denise, a matey from this area. Well, I guess they're all from this area.
Yep.
Anyway,
they only reside.
She said, "Oh, go over here, because if you're into haunted ghost things,
I am.
You can go over and check that out." So, here we are. I'm no historian, but it's pretty cool. I can't tell you anything about it. It's not my job.
Yeah, Denise taught us a lot about it, but I forget all the names and things were in French.
Just Google Saint Boniface
Church Cathedral.
Fire, burn down, TheBoat.Life.
I bet this is super cool at night because it's kind of lit up, but it's still like creepy because it's just like an open building. And pretty awesome. I bet it's pretty haunted.
It looks like it would be.
Wow, there's some stairs, but you can't get to them, or else we'd climb up and do something really cool and weird up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
you know what I mean? A little sacrilege.
No. Ew.
fantastic. It's definitely a church that has been burned down.
No debating.
No doubt about that. Word is it's haunted. Seems haunted. I mean, even the creepy, like, of
the lights
swinging in the middle of the day.
Yeah. Really neat though. I mean, it's basically a burned down church and a cemetery, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm glad we heard about that.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're just milling around by the river.
Yeah.
You wanna get in this photo? This guy is unreal. R-E-I-L.
Unreal. Oh, you can't hear it. Yeah, unreal. Sweet stash, bro.
That's the boat life.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Subscribe and tell your friends.
Definitely tell your friends. And subscribe. Yeah, do both those things.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.